Hey guys, this is Paddy from Techie Paddy, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing and having a first look of the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So sit back and enjoy this video. Let's go! So as you can see, this is the box of the Zenfone Max Pro M1. It's a pretty nice looking box. On this left side we can see V photo, and also on this side V photo. On the back side, if you can see, let me just zoom in this guys for you, and you can see all the specifications that it is gray color. It has a 6GB RAM, a 64GB ROM, an LTE dual SIM, a 5.99 Full HD Plus display, and also you have the Snapdragon 636 processor, which is clocked at 1.8 GHz, and also you have a 60 megapixel front camera and a 60 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera. So we'll explore that in the further video. Okay, so now let me just open the box for you. So this is a slidable box and I like it. So firstly, what you notice is some paperwork which is present inside this box. We'll just keep it on the side. The secondly, what you notice is the smartphone itself. So yeah, this is the gray color variant. And just keep it on the side for a second. And what you observe inside this box is a charger, a USB charger, which has a rating of 5 volts, 2 ampere. Quick charger, not a this fast charger. And you have a micro USB cable, and it looks pretty nice. It's a pretty nice build quality, and this is something called as an amplifier. So basically you have to keep your phone in there, it will amplify the sound for you. I don't know how that's going to work, so let us find out about that later. So here we have the phone finally. So let us just remove this phone from the plastic. And as you can see, pretty nice looking device. At the back side, it's your fingerprint scanner, the Asus branding, some stickers about the star rating, IMEI, etc. This is the dual camera setup, the 60 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, the LED flash. On the front side, as you can see, this is a 5.99 Full HD Plus display. Over here you have the 16 megapixel front camera situated, and you have your proximity sensors, and all other sensors are present. And it's looking pretty nice. On the right hand side, if you observe, you will see that the volume rockers and the power button is situated on the RHS, whereas on the right hand side, left hand side, you will see that this is the SIM card tray. And believe me or not guys, this phone has a dedicated micro SD card slot built in into its tray. So that I'll be showing you soon. And at the bottom you will see that this is one speaker right over here. This is the headphone jack, the mic, and the micro USB port. What I found strange is at this price, at least they should have offered a type C over here. It would be really great, and at least some stereo speakers also would have sounded nice. I was ready to pay that much price if they had provided these type of specs. So let's do the first boot up. So yeah, you will get confused kind of when you initially boot up the device. Yes, so it says powered by Android, and let us just fast forward this boot up and the setup process. Okay, so guys, before I proceed ahead with the other stuff, you can see that I have been eligible to claim 100 GB of Google Drive storage. So yes, Asus does this thing that you have to they provide 100 GB of Google Drive storage, and then yes, the setup is done. And you can see this is the stock UI of the Zenfone Max Pro M1. And let us see the Android version. So if you just scroll down, and you can see Android version 8.1.0, and also I have got an update to install in this smartphone. Let us go back, and some apps have come pre-installed, like for example you have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have your Google Slide Sheets, etc., and Messenger too. Okay, and that's all. And these two are the apps from Asus. It's some Asus Service Care and Asus Go to Pay. So it is basically that payment UPI application. And let us see how much storage do we get. So if we go to settings, if we go to storage, you can see 10.47 GB has been used, and out of this 10.4 you get around 53.53 GB free. Also, you might have seen that this is a micro SD card supportable smartphone, so you can insert your dual SIM cards as well as micro SD card. Your notification bar is just the same as you have in a stock Android, so it's pretty neat. I like it. You have your battery saver, cast, etc. So currently there is no SIM card in this, that's why you can see there is no service. Anyways, let me just show you the camera UI. So if you just open the camera, and let me just go to the camera mode again. Yeah, and let me just switch the camera. This is the front megapixel camera, and you can see it's a 16 megapixel. It's pretty neat. I've clicked a picture, so let me just show you. So if you just see, zoom in from here, yeah, it is quite decent looking photo. I mean, it is clear, but I think it suffers a bit in the indoor lighting. That's what I feel. Anyways, you also have support of clicking high quality pictures, 16 megapixel, whatever. You have various options in the camera. Let me just go and open the video and let me just show you. So if you go to the video, you have your video quality for your front facing camera is 1080p. That's it. And for your rear facing camera, you can go to video quality, and you can see you can upgrade to 4K, 4K and all etc. So it's a pretty good thing that they have provided 4K in this device. Anyways, I finished setting up the fingerprint scanner also in this device, and yes, face unlock is also present. So let me just lock this device and show you the speed of the fingerprint scanner. This is the fingerprint scanner right over here. 1 2 3. Yeah, it's pretty quick. So again, 1 2 3. So currently I won't be able to demonstrate the face unlock feature right now on this camera, but when I tested it, I found it is pretty good feature and it's pretty quick. So I have no complaints regarding that. Anyway, so I think this means much about the smartphone. In this video itself, I'll be posting some camera samples which I'll be clicking with this smartphone. So then you can be the judge and let me know how the camera fares. So I am shooting this video and it's in the 4K UHD mode, and immediately what I feel is that there is some issue with the stabilization of the video. But yeah, Asus might send us an update to enable the electronic image stabilization. Let's see how then the videos will be stable in the future. So this video is being shot in the 1080p mode, and I think this is the 30 fps mode. And yeah, again the same the stabilization issues is there. That's all. So I hope it will be able to fix that issue. So recording this part of a footage with the front facing camera of the Asus Zenfone 5 Pro Max, whatever it is, and this is in the 1080p format. Yes, it only shoots up to 1080p Full HD and it's 30 fps. And yeah, I felt that this camera is much more stable than the rear camera. So let's see, maybe later when Asus rolls out the updates for this, I hope this will be also more stable than before. That's all. So regarding the battery life of this, so this device is equipped with the 5000 milliamp hour battery, and it's a plus point for this device considering the price. And let me just show you how much is the battery. So currently it is 50%, and if you just click on this, you can see around 5 hours 53 minutes left. So it will be lasting more than that, but yeah, I have not charged it completely full, so then after a full charge maybe it should last a day depending on your usage. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel Techie Paddy, this is the first time. My name is Noel Pargaonkar. This is my channel Techie Paddy. Do subscribe. If you have any comments or any feedback, please do leave it in the comment section of this video. Please share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.